Welcome to my channel. Here, I'm passionate about collaboration, seasonal decor, and creating budget-friendly projects. From repurposing to garage sale finds and thrift flipping, I cover it all. If you enjoy these creativities, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit that like button to join our creative community. Let's embark on an amazing DIY journey together. And now, let's go ahead and start with our first DIY. I have this faux geo rock and it is purple. I'm gonna give it 2 coats with this Serenity blue. And of course, you know this is an imitation and I purchased this, I think about a year ago at Dollar Tree. Two coats are already in place. It's still a little wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side. In the meantime, I have this little pumpkin. I'm not sure where I got it. I believe it was from Dollar Tree. I'm taking this black chalk paint and I'm giving it 1 coat. Now the pumpkin is completely dry, so I'm coming in with this khaki color and I will give it 1 coat to the stem. And now I'm gonna proceed to make lines on the pumpkin with the same Serenity blue. With this shoelace bow, I'm gonna hot glue it right here. And I also have a leaf and I will also glue it below the bow. And now with some more hot glue and the Jenga block, I'll put it right behind the pumpkin and then the pumpkin to this beautiful piece. I'm also going to be adding this jewel twine around the entire piece. I want to make sure that this looks nice and finished. And this is it for this first DIY. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Today I'm participating of an open challenge, Fall Look Off the Hook, and it is being hosted by Christine, DIY Craftaholic, also Jackie, Crafting in Minnie's World, and CeeJ, CeeJ's DIY. And we also have a guest host, LaParasha, Crafting It Myself. In today's challenge, we must create minimum of 3 DIYs, and we get to pick the style. I'm going to be leaving all of these talented creators' channel directly down in my description box for your convenience, along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit all of these for more inspiration and let them know that I send you over. Also, don't forget to subscribe to their channels, like and share. And for our second project, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this antique wax. I'm gonna water it down and I'm gonna be giving it 1 coat to the entire plaque. And this little wood plaque is from Temu. After applying the antique wax, I'm returning with a cloth to give it a thorough wipe down. I have this farmer's market with this beautiful pickup truck, and it is a stencil, of course. I'm gonna tape it down, and I used several colors, but after everything was said and done, I came back and I completely redid it again with different colors. You're gonna see what I did. The color that I'm using now is called Cloudless. I'm carefully dipping the brush into the paint and applying it with precision and patience. Now I thought that this color was gonna look nice, and this is it's called Laguna. And with that color, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the farmer's market. And the leaves, I'm gonna go ahead and paint them with the white chalk paint. I also purchased these transferable stickers from Dollar Tree. That was from last year. I purchased so many because I think these are so beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I thought I was gonna get this section right here, but then I thought, no, let me just do this one up here because I like the white pumpkin. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and then I'm gonna trim the white pumpkin so it could fit perfect on that pickup truck, and then I'll go ahead and transfer it over. I think this came out absolutely beautiful with the pumpkins. And that was pretty nice and easy, and it is so relaxing to do this. And now I got leaves, so I'm gonna add some leaves to the pumpkins. Using the same antique wax that I watered down earlier, I'm gonna go ahead and apply one coat to the bamboo ring. Once applied, I will also come in with a cloth and wipe it down. So I'm adding some hot glue on the border, and then the bamboo ring, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right on top. And because I'm able to see that hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and add this rope right here in the inside, and I'll do that to the entire piece, only in the inside, just to hide all that imperfection of the hot glue that you are able to see. And now with this wood bead and this baker's twine, I'm just gonna go ahead and make a hook to hang it on the wall. I will be placing it in the back with some hot glue. And again, my dear friends, off camera, I placed the stencil back in place once again, and I changed the colors. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. I also have these wooden beads that I had already painted in my stash, and I'm gonna put 1 green and 2 white. And then later on, I came off camera, of course, and the green beads, I went and I painted them with the Serenity Blue. And this is the way it's looking so far. I also have this wood slice from Dollar Tree. They come 3 in a package. I'm gonna paint the inside in white, and I'm just gonna give it 1 coat. I also have this beautiful leaf from Dollar Tree. I think they come like 6 in a package, and they are like 3 different styles. So with some hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it here and there with some hot glue, making sure that this leaf stays in place. And now let's go ahead and tie everything together. My dear friends, I also want to remind you of this playlist that I will be having down in my description box, so you can go ahead and get more inspiration. Don't forget to visit them and give them a lots of love. After adding this tassel, I like to express my gratitude for visiting my channel. Remember to subscribe, share, and like, and don't forget to let me know your favorite project in the comment section. And now, let's get ready for the final reveal.